Guys, we're going to be going to Seasons 52 for Thanksgiving dinner. I hope it's going to be really good. I'll update you guys when we get there. Guys, there's around a 30-minute wait here, but it's really nice. Yeah, so there's a huge wait, so we're just waiting. We'll meet you guys whenever we go. So we're finally arrived.
It took about like 20 minutes.
Yeah, the 20 minutes wait. Everything looks really nice. It's like all nicely decorated and stuff. And, hey guys, so the food's come. It looks good, right? Guys, so the dessert came and it looks really good.
Right here we have pumpkin pie, carrot cake, pear cheesecake, mocha macchiato, pecan pie, and Belgian chocolate s'mores, which I recommend if you like chocolate.
So I myself picked out the key lime pie one, which is right here, and then my brother picked out the
Belgian chocolate.
and then my mom picked this one. I forgot what it was, and then my dad picked the pecan dessert. How does it look? So we finished our food, and looks like they've set up their lights outside. It looks really cool.